Hi, I'm Chris, MTForecast Downs, and this is your weather forecast for Chicago. It could be rainy, it could be sunny, it could be snowing, it could be hot. And did we fact check this? Did anybody fact check? No? Okay. Can't really tell that far in the future anymore, so I will just pull up my weather app. It's basically the same thing.
Your business deserves accurate forecasts. That's why AMT reinvented its annual forecasting conference. MTForecast gives manufacturers like you the tools, data, and yes, economic forecasts to prepare your business for the future. Stay ahead of the competition. Space for tours and workshops is limited, so be sure to reserve your spot. Register today at MTForecast.com.
When people say they can feel the weather in their bones, I literally can.